Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning,
Waalaikumsalam.
everyone. My peace and blessing be upon us all. The Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna Subdistrict, Mr. Natawirya Esos MSI, of Jati Sampurna Subdistrict, all section head, urban village head, subdivision head, and esteemed civil servant within the Jati Sampurna Subdistrict. Welcome to our Friday morning meeting today, July 24, 2026. My name is Sally Septiana, and I will be moderating our session today. Our main agenda is the preparation for the series of activities commemorating the 81st Independence Day of the Republic of Indonesia. To begin, I respectfully invite the head of the Social Welfare Section, Mrs. Rianti, to deliver the presentation. The screen is yours.
Oke, thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning,
Waalaikumsalam.
everyone. Today, I'm Sriyanti, representation of Head of Social Welfare Section, Mr. Encup Supratman, will present the presentation for 81 Independence Day at the Jati Sampurna Sub-District level. This presentation is addressed to Sub-District Head of Jati Sampurna, Mr. Natawirya Esos MSI, on this day, July 2024, 2026. This presentation is based on the city level condition meeting that influence sub-district head and regional apparatus or organization head across Bekasi City. The meeting covering the preparation for 81 Independence Day in 2026 was held on Tuesday, July 2020 and 26, starting at 18 WIB at the Bekasi Major Pendopo Meeting Room. It was chaired by the Head of Protocol and Communication Division. Slide 3. The legal basic for our activities refer to Minister of State Secretary's letter. This will be technically detailed in the measure of Bekasi circular, which is expected to be issued this Tuesday before being distributed to the sub-district and village level. The official theme for this year is Suffrage, Just, and Purpose Indonesia, which reflect the spirit of national sovereignty, social justice, and shared prosperity as our development focus. Additionally, the official logo has been published since July 17, 20, and 26. And must be utilized across all even visual attributes. Our main program is simultaneous clinics, ordinals, and beauty or K3 activity. This will be carried out across all neighbor and hamlet association in Bekasi City, including our sub-district Jati Sampurna. The objective is to realize a Bekasi City that is clean, waving with flag, unite and proud. This activity is scheduled for simultaneous execution on August 1, 20, and 26. Our target is to ensure all K3 locations in Jati Sampurna are fully ready and conditioned before that. The responsibility structure for these activities flows from the sub-district head down to the village head. RT or are we chairperson, youth organization, PKK, and local communities. Our official tagline is from the neighborhood, making Bekasi a clean and wiping city. For publication, there are special instructions. We must conduct massive publication campaign on social media, cascading for the sub-district level down to the RT or RW level. It is mandatory to include before and after photo documentation, and very social media posts must include the official tagline. Beyond the K3 initiative, we must ensure community participation in several other K activities. On August 1, we will focus on decoration and K3, which include the installation of banner and independence poster, alongside the simultaneous K3 execution. For August 1 to August 30, there is a mandatory hoisting of the red and white flag across all regions. Though August, we will have region independent ceremonies and inauguration for development project. Finally, on August 29, we will hold the regional level international
Ini doang belum,
dependent man week PNBK event to ensure our success. Here are our next steps. First, we must avoid the official culture from the major expected this Thursday, which will serve as our technical basic for implementation. Second, all civil servants and village apparatus are asked to start gearing up and begin preparation early. Third, we must coordinate actively with RT or RW executives regarding the on-the-ground implementation. Four, we will need to plan and determine the specific country target location within each respective area. Let us welcome the 81 Independence Day with a spirit to togetherness. They include the report presentation, which is submit for further direction and follow up from the sub-district head of Jatisampurna. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, Mrs. Rianti, for the clear and detailed presentation regarding our preparation for the 81st Independence Day. Now, I would like to give the floor to the head of Jatisampurna Sub-District, Mr. Natawirya Esos MSI, to provide his response and directive regarding this presentation. Mr. Camat, please proceed.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, Mrs. Sally, and our utmost appreciation to the head of the social welfare section, Mr. Ncup, for providing such an exhaustive, clear, and comprehensive breakdown of our upcoming regional agenda. Building up upon the presentation, I want to emphasize a critical operational perspective. The Bekasi City Environmental Agency is acting as the primary person in charge at the municipal level. Therefore, our sub-district machinery must not lag behind. We are expected to match, if not exceed, their operation, momentum, the simulator execution of the K3 initiative, cleanliness, orderliness, and beauty alongside the mandatory red and white flag hosting schedule. For August 1, 2026 represents an absolute non-negotiable priority for all of us. We must ensure that every single neighborhood is visibly prepared and fully engaged. Consequently, rather than just assuming everything is running smoothly behind closed doors, I want to conduct an immediate direct roll call and confirmation of readiness from every single urban village. Under our jurisdiction, I would like here concise yet substantive report on your grassroots preparation, coordination with local stakeholder and target mapping from our designated village representative. First, Mrs. Dewi Lia Lestari and Mrs. Sala Rosia Milenia, representing Jatiranggon. Second, Mr. Amir Mahmud and Mrs. Siti Nurpaijah, representing Jatiraden. Then Mr. Kamaluddin, representing Jatirangga. Fourth, Mr. Rita Sundari, representing Jatikarya. And five, Mrs. Frida Handayani, representing Jati Sampurna. Mrs. Moderator, please open the floor and facilitate the response one by one so we can evaluate our collective readiness.
Understood, Mr. Camat. We will now hear the readiness report from the urban village. Let's start with Jatiranggon, Mrs. Dewi and Mrs. Salsa. The floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you, Miss Sally, and thank you very much, Mr. Camat, for your valuable guidance and directives. We respectfully report from the leadership side of Jatirangon Urban Village that we are fully prepared and on high alert to execute the upcoming simultaneous K3 initiatives. To answer maximum efficiency on the ground, our administrative team has actively overseen the proactive mapping and identification of all strategic K3 target location across our neighborhoods. We have established solid common target location across our neighborhoods. We have established solid command lines with all local stakeholders to guarantee total community mobilization. Thank you. Next, Miss Salsa is yours.
Thank you, Ms. Dewi. Allow me to add to our report, Mr. Camat, on the operational and publication from we are strictly enforcing the special instruction to capture and upload comprehensive before and after photo and video documentation across our official social media channels, complete with the mandatory official tagline to showcase our active participation. We are fully committed to making this campaign a resounding success and ensuring Jatiranggon shines in digital reporting. Thank you.
Thank you, Jatiranggon. Next, Jatiraden, Mr. Amir and Mrs. Siti, please.
Thank you, Mr. Camat, for your clear direction. Reform Kelurahan Jatiraden. Report that our administrative structure is fully prepared and committed to executing the Agustus 1 simulation. Ketiga, initiative to ensure our operational steps are well targeted. We have structured solid coordination. We will work with local stakeholder and ensuring that our sub-district mission is seamlessly translated to coordinate action the village level. Thank you.
Please, Siti Nurfaijah. Please, so
Tapi yang dipin di Siti Nurfaijah.
Siti Nurfaijah, please. Jatiraden.
Mrs. Siti.
Siti Nurfaijah, please.
Allow me to elaborate on our grassroots mobilization, Mr. Chamat. We have actively engaged and mobilized our local youth organization and the family welfare improvement team across all neighborhoods. They are fully mobilized on the ground to lead community participation, there's neighborhood cleanup effort, and ensure that our residents take pride in preparing the environment for the August 1st simulate Kitri.
Excellent, Jatiraden. We move to Jatirangga, Mr. Kamal.
Please, Mr.
Yes.
Kamaluddin.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Thank you very much, Mr. Chamat, for
Yang dipin.
your turut guidance and leadership. We from Kelurahan Jatirangga proudly report that our regional in Afrotus and local units are on full standby to ensure maximum participation for the upcoming commemoration. We are currently intensely managing the distribution and overseeing the mandatory hoisting of the red and white flag across all night board units throughout Jatirangga from August 1 to August 31. We are fully committed to fostering deep national pride and ensuring every corner of our village waves our national flag with honor during to historic month. Thank you.
Thank you, Jatirangga. Next, Jatikarya, Mrs. Rita, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Miss Sally, and thank you very much, Mr. Chamat, for your clear, directive and continuous support. We from Jatikarya Urban Village report that we are fully committed to bringing this year's independence commemoration to life. For actively ahead of schedule, we have already our local teams and residents to commence the installation of festive Independence Day decoration, vibrant banner, umbul-umbul, and thematic poster across all our respective neighborhood. Crucially, we are ensuring that every visual attribute strictly incorporates our official themes. Sovereign, just, and prosperous Indonesia, to instill a deep sense of patriotism and enthusiasm among our citizens. Thank you.
Thank you, Jatikarya. Finally, Jati Sampurna, Mrs. Frida, please.
Thank you, Miss Sally. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, Mr. Chamat, for your inspiring leadership and clear directive. We from Jati Sampurna Urban Village proudly report that we are fully prepared, aligned, and eager to execute our upcoming commemorative agents. Beyond our active involvement in the simultaneous K3 initiative and neighborhood decoration, we are currently essentially engaging and preparing our local community group, youth elements, and grassroots organizations for the upcoming regional independence ceremonies. Furthermore, we are making robust preparations for the prominent regional level National Independence Month Week or PNBK event, which is officially scheduled for the 29th of August 2026. We pledge our full commitment to ensuring that Jati Sampurna delivers an exemplary performance and makes this historic celebration a resounding success. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you to all the representatives from the 5 urban village for your swift and assuring update. It is clear that the grassroots level is geared up. Now I respectfully request our sub-district head, Mr. Natawirya, to deliver the final conclusion for this agenda.
Thank you, Mrs. Shelley. Thank you very much to all our estimate urban village representative for the exceptionally thorough, extraordinary, and detailed readiness report. In conclusion, it is abundantly clear that our preparation for the upcoming 28th Independence Day and of the Republic of Indonesia are firmly on the right track, reflecting our strong administrative as we map forward into the final street. Please keep our operational dam at the forefront of our program, Sovereign, Just, and Prosperous Indonesia. We will patiently await the formal issue of the mayor circular, which expected to arrive this Tuesday to provide us with further detailed technical guidance. However, let issue a strict instruction: do not wait for the circular to take action. We must maintain our operational momentum, ensure that the simultaneous K3 initiative and the mandatory red and white flag hosting begins strictly on August 1 without any delay. Furthermore, executive massive and vibrant social media publication across all our channels, ensuring every post feature our official campaign tagline from the neighborhood, making Bekasi a clean and mapping city. Let us continue to foster this incredible spirit of togetherness, collaboration, and dedication, and let us ensure that Jati Sampurna led by example as the most disciplined and proactive sub-district in Bekasi City. Thank you all for your extraordinary commitment, and let's get the work done.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chamat, for the solid, comprehensive, and highly inspiring conclusion. Your clear directive helps certainly provide us with a definitive roadmap for our upcoming regional agenda. Before we officially close today's virtual Friday morning meeting, I would like to open the floor briefly for a few final moments. Are there any urgent addition, technical clarification, or concluding question from any of our esteemed participants, whether from the sub-district session head, the urban village representative, or our fellow civil servant across Jati Sampurna, please feel free to raise your hand or drop a note in the chat box. Sorry, Mrs. Rian.
Excuse me, Miss Moderator, since our agenda is about celebrating our Independence Day and everyone seems to serious, may I request to sing a short song to lift everyone's spirit before we sign off.
Wow, that
Thank
is
you.
that
Thank you
is
so
a
much, Miss
delightful
Moderator.
and refreshing request,
Sorry.
Mrs. Rian. Wow. Wow, that is a delightful and refreshing request, Mrs. Rianti. Given that we are gearing up with such high spirit for our 81st Independence Day, a short song will certainly be a wonderful moral booster to close our virtual session today. Please, the virtual stage is yours, Mrs. Rianti.
Mr. Salam, please. Song, please.
You ready?
Ready.
Together, sing.
Baby, won't you tell me why there is sadness in your eyes? I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. You're the one who set it up. Now you're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who's feeling lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you say, but there's still a thing left in my head. I want you were never satisfied, no matter how I tried. Now you wanna stay love is one illusion. I try to forget. Love there is in my hand. I want to feeling so strong. There ain't so much for you. There ain't so much for me anymore.
Feeling so strong, let's stand for so long. Time why you Yes, I know.
Thank you for singing together.
Foto bersama.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Rianti, for the wonderful and inspired performance. What a fantastic way to cap off our meeting. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, with that cheerful note and high patriotic energy, our Friday morning meeting agenda for today, July 24, 2026, has officially reached its conclusion. I extend my deepest gratitude to the head of the Social Welfare Section for the comprehensive presentation, to our sub-district head for the solid directive, to all the urban village representative for your assuring readiness update, and to all GT Sampurna civil servant for your active participation today. Let us carry this shared enthusiasm into our grassroots preparation for the 81st Independence Day. Have a highly productive Friday, a wonderful weekend ahead, and let's make Bekasi clean and waving. Wabillahi wal taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Mr. Sally.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Oh,
wabarakatuh.
Mrs. Sally.
Thank
Thank
you,
you for
Sally.
all. Next, see you. Goodbye.
Take a picture.
Everyone.
Take a
Take a
picture,
picture.
please, Mr. Salam.
Okay. Keep smile.
Sing a song.
Give your style. The best your style, okay? Give your
Okay.
best style.
Stay happy.
One, two, three. Smile, smile. 1, 2, 3. Once again.
Song.
Okay, wait. Wait. The signal is so.
Okay. Finish. Mr.
Yes.
Salam. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, wait. Smile again. So sorry, the signal so weak. I cannot look the picture. Okay, smile again. 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Once again. Because here is 3 slides. Once again, the last slide for the give your smile, best smile. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.